Hello, I'm Carson, and this is my first YouTube video. So, I thought I could show you some things. I made a video a few days ago, a lot of days ago. But I'm gonna make another one because I am going to do that. Alright. So, this is my house. It's a little brighter because it's morning, and that's a picture of me, and yes, I do have short hair. Wait, did I have short hair in that picture? Kind of. So, tell me if I should, tell me in the comments if I should, never mind, I don't know what to say. We're going into a dark place. It's not very dark from the camera and the light. The light! The light! No. No. How about a little show of my stinky pussy? You're on YouTube. How about you, Murray? Yes, YouTube. So, I can't show you my other cats. Well, cat. Because
Hello?
that was my sister. Be very quiet and tiptoe away.
Carson.
Okay, that is my sister.
Hi.
She may be making videos too.
Yes.
After we get her account all set up.
Mm-hmm.
So, don't forget to watch the next videos. Don't forget to watch the next videos. Bless your family. Peace.